Hello friends and lovely associates, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the future of living with our list of the top 10 smart home devices of 2024. From smart speakers to security systems, we've got the most popular products that are transforming homes into smart havens. So if you're ready to upgrade your home with the latest tech, stick around. Let's get started. Device number 10, Smart Lighting, Philips Hue. Starting off our list at number 10 is the Philips Hue Smart Lighting System. These lights are not just about illuminating your home, they're about setting the perfect mood for any occasion. Device number 9, Smart Thermostat, Nest Learning Thermostat. Coming in at number 9, we have the Nest Learning Thermostat. This smart thermostat is like having a personal climate expert in your home. Device number 8, Smart Security System, Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. At number 8, we have the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. This smart security device offers peace of mind with advanced features. Device number 7, Smart Speaker, Amazon Echo, 4th Gen. Number 7 on our list is the Amazon Echo, 4th Gen. This smart speaker is your gateway to a smarter home. Device number 6, Smart Cleaning Robot, iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. At number 6, we have the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. This smart cleaning robot takes the chore out of cleaning. Device number 5, Smart Cooking Aid, Anova Precision Cooker, Sous Vide. Coming in at number 5 is the Anova Precision Cooker for sous vide cooking. Perfect meals every time without the stress. Device number 4, Smart Alarm System, SimpliSafe Home Security System. Number 4 on our list is the SimpliSafe Home Security System. It provides comprehensive security without the hassle. Device number 3, Smart Fault Detection, Flow by Moen Smart Water Detector. At number 3, we have the Flow by Moen Smart Water Detector. Protect your home from water damage with ease. Device number 2, Smart Companion, Amazon Astro. Coming in at number 2 is Amazon Astro, the smart home robot companion. Think of it as your personal assistant on wheels. Device number 1, Smart Home Hub, Samsung SmartThings Hub V3. And finally, at number 1, we have the Samsung SmartThings Hub V3. This is the ultimate device for connecting all your smart home gadgets. And there you have it, our top 10 smart home devices of 2024. From lighting to security, these gadgets are designed to make your life more convenient and secure. Let us know in the comments which smart home device you're most excited about or already using. Feel free to click on our affiliate links below to make your purchases of smart home devices. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews and smart home tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.